Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In today's video, we would like to learn how to perform rational operations in Java. First of all, I'm going to declare two variables called a and b. Both of them are of integer data type. For a, we assign number 10, and for b, we assign number 3 to it. So a equals 10 and b equals 3. Now I would like to perform a rational operations. What do I mean by rational operations? Let me illustrate it with an example. Now a holds the value 10 and b holds the value 3. In order to perform the first rational operations, I would like to see if they're equal or not. So a equals b. This is what I write. Okay, a equals b. So the compiler is going to compare a and b and tell me if this statement a equals b is true or it's false. And we know the answer. A equals 10 and b equals 3. So a equals b, it's not true. It's definitely false. So when I run the code, now I expect to see the false in the output. So a equals b, we see false. Why? Because a is 10 and b is 3. So they're not equal. This is why we see false in the output in the first place. So this is the first rational operation. And also, in order to print the message before performing the rational operation, we do it in double quotes. So a equals b and colon, and then we see the result is false. Then a is not equal to b. This is a is not equal to b. So in order to check if they are equal, we need to have two equals sign. But when we don't want to when we want to actually check if they're not equal, we need to have the exclamation mark and then the equal sign, meaning that they're not equal. I'm saying in this line, a is not equal to b. Is it true? Yes, it's true, because they are indeed not equal. So this is why we see true here in the output. Then the next rational operation would be a is greater than b. So the value of a is 10, the value of b is 3, therefore 10 is greater than 3. Yes? Yes, this is true, and this is why we see true in the output. Next, we are having a is less than b. So a is 10, b is 3, so 10 is less than 3. Is it true? No, it's not true. We know that it's not true, but when the compiler, we want the compiler to decide. So a is less than b, so the answer is false, because this is indeed not true. Then we want to check another rational operation here. So a is greater than or equal to b. Is it true? Yes. 10 is greater than or equal to 3. Yes, this is true. And then a is less than or equal to b. So is it true? No, it's not true. So this is false. So we see that here in this example, we had the comparison of rational operations. And in order to show all of these messages and the results in the output, just as a reminder, we use the system.out.println syntax, and in parentheses, we write down whatever we want to be shown in the terminal. Thank you for watching.